Scent, After the Rain. Item package weight, 0.6 pounds. Item package dimension, 6.604 cm L x 6.35 cm W x 12.7 cm H. Model number, 10,19,800,036,635. Continuous, long-lasting air freshener. Lasts up to 30 days. Allows you to adjust the level of freshening power. Neutralizes even the strongest odors. Non-toxic and biodegradable. Scent, After the Rain. Physical form, solid application, odor control. Top reviews from the United States. Love the scent. This product was nicely packaged and an easy to unwrap for use. I love the scent of After the Rain. This scent is a calming and very light fragrance. I give this product a 10 out of 10 and will be purchasing again. Thank you.